structures, you can create your own backyard garden landscape ideas. Beautiful. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Receive the key of points covered in your garden. Offer ideas to create privacy and backyard, such as using tall plants, trellises with climbing vines, or installing fence and screens. For gardening, ethics suggest setting aside areas for vegetables garden, herb garden, or flower beds. Talk about the benefits of raised beds and vertical garden for small spaces. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe for more these garden ideas. Recommended designs: dedicated areas for dining, logging, and cooking. Suggest crafting, comfortable seating, and a dining area, perhaps an outdoor kitchen or barbecue area. For families with children, discuss creating safe and fun play areas. Ideas include swing sets, sandboxes, and open lawns for sports. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe for more ideas. Thanks for watching.